everyone got these scripts and the part that they're supposed to play. But not just that, there was some parts were left blank. And in a way, it helped people to sort of build the character up also in a way. And I thought that freedom was quite an interesting part of the whole experience.
Visa, so
can I get a visa? How do I get a visa?
you have to have a reason to have a visa. So
I can get a job?
You can have a job without documents. So do you remember your birthday?
After leaving your home country, have you ever gone back or not? I was in Libya for a year.
Oh.
Do you have any additional documents that you would like to submit other than what you gave us? No.
I think that the game really made me realize how much I rely on my privilege in my everyday life. I played the role of a refugee. I felt like I really had the experience of being dropped in this situation and just having to cope because there wasn't any other option.
I'll come back.
Let me give you an appointment for the next time, so that you know when we're going to meet the next time, and if you know if this was accepted. What should I do now?
You know, it's being a game, and then you realize, okay, these people, they have to do it in real life. To feel totally lost and scared, I even cried, but that was real. I mean, I felt it. I really felt it.
All of the people at the stations had so much power over me. It really felt like a barrier.
I saw that some people had to wait way longer for some things to be done than other people.
Father, Surya. Father.
No, you speak only Arabic. Do you remember? I told you, translator. I told you, translator. Yeah, I told you should think translator. No. We cannot do the second one without translator, so I will give you another appointment. I will give you, sorry, I cannot do more. I will give you, I'm really busy. I don't have so much time to discuss this with you. I cannot do a second.
I mean, obviously you can imagine that. I mean, you don't imagine there's so many steps to get in. You know, so many papers, so many type of administration work.
It's a system that has been set up to make sure that if they're coming in the right way, or they're not coming in at all.
You cannot pass, you cannot go in. You have no papers, so you have no right.
She lost her papers. They might be stolen. We'll have to check with the airport station. No.
Sorry. The possibility to stay here if you misbehave like this.
Yes. You are.
She forged the marriage papers.
The big question to me is, how do we fix this broken system? How do we make things better? But it made me think a lot about how it's not just the individual racism or looking down on people, but just these institutional systems that we've set up or that kind of set up themselves. And it's hard even for the people who have authority to work outside of that. And even the people who are trying to help can't necessarily get the help to where it needs to be.
When you hear about this kind of situation, you're very comfy back home, you're watching a video on YouTube, and you're just like, thinking about it. But actually when you get to live it, even in a small simulation like this, it makes the whole difference.
If someone would have the experience in reality, it's far much more valuable than anything that can be ever read in a book.
It's not one experience. There are so many different stories, and every story is individual, and there are different levels of privilege, and there are different difficulties that people encounter along the way. It really made people real and made them important to me.